At Ess Pee's, quality and precision are at the heart of every cookie we create. Here, in our state-of-the-art storage facility, the finest ingredients are kept under strict quality control. First, sugar is ground to perfection. This fine consistency is essential for achieving the right texture and sweetness in every bite. Next, we refine the flour. Our flour shifter machine ensures it's light and airy. In the next step, butter and sugar are blended together, forming a creamy paste that will bring a rich, melt-in-your-mouth texture to each cookie. Once the paste is ready, the refined flour is carefully added, creating the dough that will soon take shape into cookies. Now, the dough is transferred to our automated forming machine. Here, it's shaped into perfectly uniform cookies, ready for the oven. The cookies then make their way to the baking machine, where they are gently baked at just the right temperature, between 145 to 160 degrees Celsius, ensuring a crispy golden finish. Before packaging, each batch passes through a high-tech metal detector to ensure the highest level of safety and quality. Finally, the cookies are carefully packaged, preserving their freshness and ensuring that every box that leaves Ess Pee's is filled with nothing but perfection. At Ess Pee's, we don't just make cookies, we craft experiences. Ess Pee's, where great taste begins.